Welcome to UW Green Bay. We are excited that you've chosen to live with us for next year. This video is to help you in the process of finding a roommate for the 2024-2025 academic year at UW Green Bay. We'll go step by step through the process and talk about what each part means. The first step is to log in to the Housing Hub. Next, click on Apply for Housing. That should bring you right to the roommate matching process page, but if it doesn't, you should be able to access it via the left-hand navigation bar. Make sure you read all the information on this first page, then click Save and Continue. This is the roommate matching questionnaire. This is where you'll answer a few questions to find the best roommate matches for you. Make sure that you keep note of what your roommate search screen name is, because this is how people will find you in the system. You can also enter a description. This will show on your profile when others search for you, so you can use this as a place to share a bit about yourself. Once you have answered each question, hit Save and Continue. Now you will be able to search for your roommates, and there are a few different ways to do that. The first option you have is to search by details. This is where you will search for a roommate via the roommate search screen name option we talked about earlier. Or you can search by roommate profiles. This is where you can browse other students' profiles and see who might be a good fit for you. You also have the option to view roommate suggestions. This is where the system will show you your highest matches for roommates. Please keep in mind that anyone can match with a student of any gender due to our several areas of open gender housing. These include the third floor of John Robichaud Hall, the B side of 3318 for upper class students, and Cletus Vanderpuren Hall for first year students. Once you find someone to match with, then you can send an invite to join their group. Your intended roommate will receive an email, and they will have to accept your invite to confirm that they want to be roommates with you. This is how your Housing Hub will look when you have an incoming roommate request. And this is what your hub will look like if you have an ongoing request sent to a roommate, but they have not yet accepted. And this is how it will look once they have accepted the request. Please note that you can make changes to your group, such as removing members and changing who is the group leader. Your group size can be anywhere between 2 and 5 people. Although please keep in mind we have very limited 5-person apartments, so you may need to break up your group during room selection if those apartments are not available. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions after viewing this video, please reach out to Housing via phone at 920-465-2040 or email us at housing@uwgb.edu.